This question requires good amount of trial and error. One very important thing that you must keep in mind is that these three numbers are different natural numbers. Okay, so I can say that the minimum value that any of the numbers can take is 1. The other number then will take a minimum value of 2, and the third number will take a minimum value of 3. Okay, so this is one thing that we can use to get the answer of this question. So let's continue. Let's start with this. So A into B plus B into C is given as 23. 23 can be written as 1 into 23 or 23 into 1. So if I take B common from here, B into A plus C can be written as 1 into 23, but it cannot be written as 23 into 1 because A plus C cannot be equal to 1. The minimum value of the sum of any two of these will be equal to 3. So A plus C cannot be equal to 1. So from here, I have got the value of B, a certain value of B as 1, and the value of A plus C as 23. I'll use these two things to get the values of A, B, and C. So at the bottom of the screen, I'll draw a table for A, B, and C, and we'll write different possible values of A and C. I've got the fixed value of B. Okay. Now using the second equation, B is equal to 1. So C plus AC is equal to 63. Okay. Taking C common, 1 plus A is equal to 63. Now 63 can be written as first of all 1 into 63, where C can be equal to 1. It can be written as 3 multiplied by 21, or it can be written as 7 multiplied by 9, and then we can reverse these as in 63 into 1, 21 into 3, 9 into 7. We'll check that. Okay. Now when C is equal to 1, when C is equal to 1, 1 plus A will be equal to 63. I'm taking the first case. Okay. Now 1 plus A will be equal to 63. A will be equal to 62. This will be against the value of A plus C. So 1 into 63 cannot be the value. Okay. I cannot write it as 1 into 63. This is rejected. Okay. Next, when C is equal to 3, then A will be equal to 20. When C is equal to 3, A will be equal to 20, and A plus C is equal to 23. This is satisfying. The next case, when C is equal to 7, and then A will be equal to 8. So A plus C is not 23. I'll not consider this. Next, after this, I'll write 63 into 1, 21 into 3, and 9 into 7. I'll explore these three cases as well. Now 63 into 1, that means 1 plus A is equal to 1, A will be equal to 0. That is against the thing that is given in the question. So this will be rejected. The first part will be rejected. The second, when C is 21, the value of A will be equal to 2. When C is 21, the value of A is equal to 2. This is giving me A plus C as 23, which can be taken as the value of A and C. The third case, 9 into 7. When C is 9, A will be equal to 6. Their sum will not be equal to 23. So these are the only two cases that will be formed. And in these two cases, the value of A into B into C. So the first case, 20 into 1 into 3, that is 60 is the value of the product. And in the second case, 42 is the value of the product. And we have to find out the minimum possible value of the product of A, B, and C. So the correct answer will be option A, that is 42. Okay, so definitely this question will require somewhere around 2.5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes if you are careful and a little slow. But definitely you need to explore all the cases the way I have done, and that will give you all possible values of the products of A, B, and C. And from there you can find out the minimum possible value. All right, let's move on to the next question, question number 18.